What's up everybody, Lucas here, Only Kinds Fitness. This video is a follow along 5-minute routine you can do on the daily to help fix that terrible rolled shoulder and forward head posture so many of us have been suffering from over the past few years from spending countless hours on our phones, on our mobile devices, texting, etc. Let's get started with the routine. First thing I want you to do, take your right hand, place it right on your chest, right below your neck right here. You want to add a little bit of pressure. We're going to turn our head the opposite way of that hand, and then we are going to look back up. You should feel the stretch right here in the neck. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. Ready? Go. Now we're going to do the other side. Take your left hand or opposite hand that you just used, place it on the chest, apply a little pressure downwards, turn the head the opposite way, roll it back and feel the stretch right here in the neck. 30 seconds, let's go. And for this next stretch, we want to find ourselves a door jamb. You want to put your arms up on each side of the door jamb. You can have them basically parallel with the ground, and then we can lean forward into the door, stepping into the door slightly, leaning forward, feeling the stretch in the pectoralis muscles right here. Nice and easy, nothing pinching. We're going to hold this for an entire minute. This is really going to help us get those shoulders back into position, as well as just help open our chest up. Alright, next, the exercise is by far one of the hardest parts, but it is super effective. My favorite do-all exercise for fixing this terrible posture. Get on the ground like this. It might help to put a yoga mat down. I'm just doing this on the hard surface, showing you there's no excuses. We're gonna lift our head up, okay? Extend the head like this. I want you to have a nice controlled feeling throughout the back of the neck. Then we're gonna lift the arms up like this, tucking the elbows in, and then what I want you to do is swim out to the front, and then bring it back in. And when we bring our elbows in to make this W position, we're gonna give a light squeeze with our lats and our back right here, and then back out, nice and controlled, and then back in, nice squeeze for 2 minutes. Can you do it? It's gonna make all the difference. Let's go. Nice and controlled, squeezing in the W position. Two minutes of discomfort, it will pay off, I'm telling you. This is a great exercise. For some of you guys who have been on this channel for a while now, you might recognize this. Very similar to an exercise we did in the 1-month plan, which really worked the rear delts. Back as well. Help me improve my posture. That's a great program. I'll leave the link to that playlist in the description. It's 1 month long, getting in athletic shape. Man, I'm feeling this, guys. 30 seconds, all right? This is the hardest part right here. If you need to take a break, you obviously need to take a break, all right? Don't compromise form. But if you can do it, it's gonna pay off. Ten seconds. That's it. Wow, feeling so much better. If you guys are interested in our balanced full body weight only exercise programs that you can essentially do anywhere, no gym required, check out onlykindsfitness.com. We have the accelerated 1-month plan and the 12-week bodyweight training calisthenics program, Bodyweight Beast 2.0. Great feedback on both of those programs, and I want to thank everyone out there who has already purchased those, ran through those, done your best, and reaped those great results. More programs coming in the future. Also, more videos, more follow along workouts and routines coming to this channel. Stay tuned. Things are about to level up. So don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Stay tuned. I hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.